In this video, I'm trying to explain to you how you will know if someone has added you to their close friends list or not. Let's say I open my Instagram and here, if somebody has their profile with a green circle around it, that usually means they have added you to your close friends list. But there's also one more way that you can tell if somebody has added you to their close friends or not. Um, I have two accounts on my profile. So let's say I switch to the other account and go over to my other profile. And here, if they have added me to their close friends list and they have a close friends story in one of their highlights, by checking their highlights and seeing one story with a close friend icon, that means like this one, that means that they have actually added me to their close friends list and I will be able to see all their close friends stories. And also, if you want to add someone to your close friends list, you can tap on this following icon here, and the first one says add to close friends list. That's all, and I sincerely hope that the person you really want to be on their close friends list has added you to it.